Right, if you're spending your weekends doing paperwork instead of actual construction work and planning project, this video is for you. I'm about to show you 3 ways that will save you about 10 hours every week on admin stuff. Look, GPT-5 is the latest AI from OpenAI and it's very good at understanding construction work. I'm talking about professional communication, safety documentation, and project planning. All the boring stuff that takes forever but has to be done. And the best part, you can access it right now from your phone. I'm going to show you 3 specific ways construction workers and contractors are using GPT-5 instant professional emails that don't make you sound like an idiot, safety docs that keep HSE happy, and project planning that actually accounts for how construction really works. These aren't theories, they're working prompts you can just use. So, contractors, whilst your competition is still doing stuff the hard way, you can be ahead of the game. Stick with me just for the next 12 minutes and I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT 5 for construction. Let's get into it. Right, first way to use GPT-5 is professional communication. I'm sure you've been there, starting a blank email trying to explain a delay to a client or sort out a delivery issue with a supplier. You want to sound professional, but not some corporate robot. GPT-5 gets construction. It understands the industry, the challenges, the way to actually talk to clients. And here's what makes GPT-5 different. It's been trained on way more recent data. It understands context better and specifically good at professional writing for trades. It's like having a business communication expert who actually knows construction sat next to you. Here is the exact prompts to use with GPT-5. As you can see here, we're in ChatGPT and I've got a professional email prompt that we can tailor to the specific email we're sending. I'll show you at the end of the video how to get this prompt and create a template for any use case. So as you can see here, there's a few things that we have to change for this template. First of all, we need to describe the situation as. So this could be any situation, but for today I'm going to say something like a worker has fell ill, which is going to cause a few pushbacks. And for the next change, we have to describe who the email is going to get sent to. So for this one, we're going to be writing client. And the templates for these prompts really just give a well-structured input to then get a well-structured and better output. So we've changed this one. Then we need to describe what the intentions of the email are, just to give it context. This means that the other trades will be pushed back and will cause the timeline to be pushed on. Just add in some context of what the intentions of the email are. A knock-on effect will occur as the other trades will be pushed on, and to write in a short apology because the plans of completion will be changed, which goes against the guarantee. You'll see here that it will write an email with the context and the intentions that we gave the model. And you might not see the difference between the old and the new, but there is a significant difference in reasoning, research, etc., and just overall knowledge. If you don't like this, you can just add in, just change it a bit, as said here. So you can see with this, the key with ChatGPT-5 is specific about the construction context. It understands our industry better than older versions, so get better results. Here is an example of the 2 different emails side by side. so you can really get an understanding of how different the writing process is. The first one being written yourself, and the other one being written by GPT-5. You can see the difference, right? Second way to use GPT-5: safety documentation, method statements, risk assessments, and toolbox talks. All the stuff that keeps HSE happy, but takes forever writing properly. GPT-5 knows construction safety regulations better than most safety consultants. So here's why GPT-5 is brilliant for this. It's been trained on current HSE guidelines. It knows the latest regulations and never forgets hazard or control measure. It's like having a safety expert who's memorized in every regulation and never has a day off. Here's the GPT-5 safety prompt to use. For this template, we need to give it context on the HSE guidelines. So as you can see here, some of the things that you'd normally put as context for this type of prompt. And we're going to change some of the different aspects. As said, give it context. So for this one, let's give a few different recommendations, but we're going to choose risk assessment for this one. So you can see here that I've just changed it. I've just used a generic one that the template offers, but you can change it to any document type you have. On to the next one. We're going to choose one of the presets. For this case, I'm going to choose working at height. And finally, work environment. For this one, I'm going to choose maybe a barn conversion. I've just added in a bit more context. A barn conversion that has height beams that need to be replaced. This is obviously a safety constraint, so it will then take this and provide a risk assessment for this needs. As you can see here, the GPT-5 model is kicking in and it's going through all the different research to provide a better answer. And because we're using the GPT-5 model, it's trained on the most recent data and can think and research a lot better. It's provided a substantial change to the older versions. But as you can see, it knows every single little detail to the risk assessment. And like the other outcomes, you can change it to your needs. As you can see, it is way better than the older AI because it actually knows the current regulations and specific HSE guidelines. You can use this for method statements, working at height, domestic loft conversion, and GPT-5 can create a complete method statement covering ladder positioning, full protection systems, material handling, weather conditions, emergency procedures, everything properly referenced to HSE guidance. Method statements that used to take about 3 hours, GPT-5 does it in about 10 minutes. Risk assessment you'd put off for weeks, done in 5 minutes. And they're comprehensive. GPT-5 doesn't miss the obvious stuff that sometimes forget when we're rushing. And moving on to the third way to use GPT-5, project planning. Getting realistic timelines, proper material schedules, and budgets that actually work in real time. This is where GPT really shines because it can handle complex planning better than the old versions. GPT-5 understands construction sequencing. It knows about building regulations. It knows typical lead times for materials and can have factor in realistic delays. It's like having a project manager who's done thousands of jobs and remembers every lesson learned. Here's a GPT project planning prompt to use. With project planning and creating a prompt to provide the best outcome, you want to give it as much context as possible so we can understand the type of job. As you can see here, some of the things that you would add in with Just to give it context, so kitchen renovation is one that we'll choose. Then size, so some dimensions of the room and the kitchen that will be installed. Just do it 7 meters by, say, 3 meters. And then finally some key constraints. I'm just going to put the two provided me. And with each prompt, it is essential to give it as much information as possible. The more information, the better outcome. Even though this model can understand the prompts better than the old versions, you still need to give it as much information as possible. I'm going to send this to ChatGPT and you'll see the outcome. You'll see the model, GPT-5 model kicking in as well, thinking for a better answer. Here is the project plan. You see some of the things that it done. It researched some of these government and different aspects of the web. But yeah, going through it, you can understand how well this model performs. It really knows every single little detail about construction which is needed. And that is the project planning prompt for construction. The key is giving GPT-5 all the context. It's smart enough to factor in everything and give you a proper plan. So get this, GPT-5 can write project plans down to materials, down to even regulations. And here is where it gets powerful. You can use all these methods together. Plan the job with method 3, create safety dogs for each phase of the method 2, keep clients updated throughout with method 1. GPT-5 handles the whole admin style of your business. And because it's GPT-5, it remembers context between conversations. You can say update the risk assessment phase. It's like having a proper assistant right by your side. Like said, I was going to show you how to get the templates for the prompts. So you just want to start it off with this single prompt starter. You're a professional prompt writer and you have construction expertise. Give me a prompt template and then to add in any use case you can think of. This one, I just came up with material takeoffs, and you can see it will give you a prompt template to use. And it's given me an even better prompt template to go off. And with this, the output will be amazing. Let's recap what we've covered. Professional communication. Using GPT-5's improved understanding for construction and industry needs. Specific documentation as current HSE regulations and actually comprehensive project planning that factors in real world constraints. Look, GPT-5 is changing how construction businesses operate. The people using these tools now are going to have a massive advantage.